A lot of us are at different stages within our fitness journey.
Go on.
However, if I was to start my fitness journey today, I'd ensure that I implement these 5 things in order for me to reach my end goal. If I was to start my fitness journey today, the first thing I would do that I didn't previously do when I started my fitness journey is do research. I basically went into trying to lose weight and build muscle blindly. All I did was literally go to the gym, did cardio sessions and build muscle. It was only later on within my fitness journey that I thought, you know what? How do I really actually lose weight, or how do I really actually build muscle? That's when I started doing my due diligence in terms of going online, or searching particular content in terms of how to lose body fat or build muscle in specific areas, or asking professionals in regards to what it takes to build muscle or what it takes to lose body fat. There's so many millions of content online that will teach you, that will help you, that will give you advice, hints, indications at all levels, whether you're a beginner, advanced, intermediate, whatever your level is, whether you're carrying a lot of body fat, a lot of muscle, or whatever your current physique is. There's so much content online that will be suitable or directed towards you. So that will be my first tip. Instead of going into your goal or whatever your fitness journey may be, ensure you do your due diligence, ensure you do your research in regards to what you're trying to achieve. My second tip is do not focus on what you see on social media as gospel. How many times have you scrolled through perhaps Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever the social media platform may be, and you may see a male or female absolutely chiseled down to the core, absolutely ripped, muscle left, right and center, shredded to core. Or perhaps you may see a story of a human being who's carrying a lot of body fat, perhaps, I don't know, say 200 pounds, huge person, and then within, well, according to their caption or their headline, within 3 weeks they're down to a size 10 or a size 12, or they're now wearing size 32 waist. Don't take everything you see as gospel. Don't get me wrong, there are some amazing stories out there where people are able to sort of like lose a huge amount of body fat within a short period of time. But their journey is not your journey. One. Not only that, there's a lot of people that are using a lot of enhanced drugs out there in terms of, not losing body weight naturally or not building muscle naturally. So ensure that you do not take social media as gospel. I did that. The amount of times I would scroll through social media thinking, wow, this person's more or less the same as me and look how shredded he is. I want to be like that. I want to be like him. But that's not the way to go, because that person might have been training for years. 1. That person might not even be a natural lifter. 2. That person could be a professional lifter. And at the end of the day, if you're not competing and you're just someone who's literally looking to get in shape, you shouldn't be comparing yourself to them in the first place. 3. So take everything you see on social media with a pinch of salt. The third tip that I would do, that again, I didn't do this when starting off, is to create a workout plan that's suitable for you and for you only. My mistake was I literally copied other people's workout plans. Everyone's at different levels, so I'm copying a workout plan that is suitable for example, a professional bodybuilder. Why? I mean, there's so many different content out there where you can take snippets from here, there, and create a perfect workout plan that's suitable for yourself. There's millions of content out there online, especially on YouTube. But one thing that I would suggest not to do, that I did, is copy someone else's workout plan, because you're both at different levels. This person might have, been shredded down, they're looking fantastic, they're not trying to lose any body fat, perhaps they might try to build a little bit of muscle, but you're trying to lose weight. So whilst they're trying to build muscle and you're trying to lose weight, but you're copying their workout plan, it's not gonna work. You're right. So ensure that you create a workout plan that is suitable for you. Tip number 4, again, I don't know why I didn't do this in the first place, or why I tried to do this in the first place, should I say, when starting off my fitness journey, is try to cheat the process. When I say try to cheat this process, I mean try to speed things up. Regardless of what you're trying to achieve, whether you're trying to build muscle or lose weight, listen, do not try to rush it. If you're going to build muscle, let it build naturally. How long it may take is how long it may take. If you're trying to lose weight naturally. Again, how long it may take is how long it may take. At the end of the day, look, it's each to their own. But my suggestion is, do not cheat the process. If you know what your goal is, stick to your goal. If you're almost there and for some reason, whatever reason, that last bit of weight is not dropping off, Just tweak your workout session, tweak your diet plan. At the end of the day, it will go. It will go. It's just your body trying to say, you know what? You've worked so hard to reach where you are now. I really don't want to let you get this last 2 pounds off. But if you work a little bit harder, we'll meet each other in the middle, innit? And then literally you'll drop the weight. The final tip I would advise myself or anyone going forward, if I was to start my fitness journey right now, is embrace your bumps. Embrace your failures within your fitness journey. Because at the moment, literally, nobody's perfect. If you're starting your fitness journey now, there is going to be bumps along the way. When I say bumps, I mean your diet may slip up. You may not be consistent at times when it comes to hitting the gym. You may become lazy at some point. You may even want to give up. Embrace that. Just think of it as, nah, I'm not going to do that. Make it, obviously, it will come to your head naturally, but just think to yourself, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to push through this and I'm going to work hard. I am going to work hard. Yeah, I slipped up on my diet, but I tell you what, that's a one-off. For the next 4 to 6 weeks, that ain't happening again. So embrace your bumps, because there will be bumps and there will be failures along the way. But that is part and parcel of reaching your goal. That is my final tip. Embrace your bumps in the road. Embrace your failures.
Wait, no walking in the right place for hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.